Cool, that was close. That's a buzzard being attacked by a seagull. Ooh, another, that was blooming close. That's 26 times zoom. It's high up above Cambridge. I'm going to zoom out to show you. Keep your eye on where the dot was, just to show you how much I'm having to zoom in to get that on video. I'll try and reacquire it using some zoom. So that dot I'm zooming in on, that is it. So 27 times zoom, 4K quality. I don't want to zoom in more or else you start losing the quality. It goes from optical zoom to digital. There you go, buzzard above my area, and seagull was giving away the fact that that was up there by screaming out loudly to warn other birds there's a threat in the area. See if I can get it again. There we go. 34 times that is. I'm going to go for more zoom just to get a bit more shape. About 78 times. So most likely a common buzzard over Cambridge, hunting for things to kill basically. It's kind of heading in the direction of north at the moment now. Northwest. .62 times zoom. It looks like I'm going to lose sight of it soon from my angle. Oh, it's in a bit of a dive then. Yeah, it's currently heading. Oh, look at that, that's in a bit of a dive again. Yeah, that's diving. That's probably seen something that's going to try and kill. Yeah, there you go.